Here we go! Day 7, Monster 7. This pickle guy is full of circles and curves. This friendly pickle guy has limp arms. It's skinny limp arms that starts with rods drawn and then circles added to the ends for his hands. Give him an ice cream cone and then thicken up his arms. What goes better with pickles than ice cream? Next, you should thicken his spindly legs. Now, every once in a while, get your eraser and clean up those nasty pencil marks. Now give this delicious guy a green complexion. Now to outline him in green marker and then add some color to his ice cream. Now to detail him with some black Sharpie for some contrast. Now let's add some dark green for some shading to enhance his body. Hey, thanks for watching Day 7, Monster 7, the crazy pickle monster. He's quirky, isn't he? Hey, stay tuned for Day 8 and don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends. Enjoy.